In this video, we're taking a look at solving this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So we start off by identifying the a, b, and c values from the quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now that we have that formula, we'll just go ahead and substitute the values for a, b, and c into the formula. Now that we have the values substituted into the formula, we'll just continue simplifying our results. So here we are getting x being equal to negative 9 plus 5 all divided by 4, as well as x being equal to negative 9 minus 5 all divided by 4. So now we have our solutions of x being equal to negative 1 as well as x being equal to negative 3.5. If you found this video helpful, leave a like so I can know that you do, and subscribe for more math content.